Why do we need to learn it? Because we can just import it.
Yes, that's right. Yes.
Okay guys, before I end the class, I want to share something with you. I already sent the poster about the Hello World Hackathon and into the group WhatsApp. So check it out. And I want all of you to join this competition because if you win this competition, all of you will get 1 million Bitcoin each. And if you want to join the competition, just scan the QR code in the poster.
So what's this poster about?
So basically, Hello World Hackathon is just like a big programming competition.
What programming language can we use?
You can use any programming language, scripting language, all of the language can be used. Okay class, if you don't have any question, the class is dismissed. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Guys, let's join it.
Yeah.
Guys, wake up guys. Wake up. Wake up.
Okay. Where are we, man?
I don't know, man.
Can you guys remember?
No.
I just remember that we scanned the QR code for the Hello World Hackathon and everything went blank.
That's right.
But wait, where's Bud and Zaidan? There's only 4 of us.
Welcome to Hello.
Who are you?
I know you. You don't know me.
Where is our friend?
They are saving me. If you want to see them, come to me. Your smartphone or your controller. You have to code to generate anything you want. You can use any programming language. Give it a try.
Critical error.
Do you love my world?
Yes.
But all of you forget about something important.
What? 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 Nani? 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 Nani?
Forget about your friends.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Let's have some fun.
Bring it on!
Oh, no! I think we got company, guys.
Let's generate some weapons!
Damn, there's so many, man.
What are you doing, sir? Let me hold them. Just go save your friends.
Okay, sir.
You are my friend. あの日の夢、今でもまだ忘れてないんでしょう。You are my dream. 始まってばっか君らは long as way. 今旅立つよ。Every day この先も shining day.
Help! Help!
見よされのファミリー飛び立つフューチャー目指してゴーバー心のドリーマー I got the distance 見果てる空を乗り込ん
Help! Help!
Let's go to bed. Yeah, let's save him.
Congratulations, guys.
Stay away from us.
That's right. I'm Putri. I'm the problem. He's the real one.
How do we attack him?
I don't know, man.
I think let's wait until the bullet is finished and then we attack him.
お前はもう死んでいる。何？もう匠でギゼブ！